Hello, my name is Layla and I'm going to show you how to do a smoky eye today, like a very easy smoky eye. So I'm only going to use a few products from my palette right here that I made. So this is Saint Makeup, and you could do this using other colors or you could use these. But basically this is the palette that I created, and you can pop these in and out. They're magnets, so you can just customize it however you want. Hold on one second. I'm going to try to share this. I forgot to pull it up into a group. Let's see. Okay, so share. Okay. So if you would like to earn free makeup and you can have like a Facebook class, we could have like a group for you, and just message me, and that's how you can earn free makeup. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just putting this into another group. Let's see. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So these are the colors that I'm going to be using. This is Astoria Contour. And I'm just going to use my eyeshadow brush. I'm going to use the big fluffy end and go into Astoria Contour, which is what I use for my regular contour also. So it's very versatile. And I'm just going to put this like all over my lid basically. Okay, and this one is a cream, and then the rest are going to be powders. So this is the contour, and we're just kind of basically like making a base for our eyeshadow look. Okay, and next we're going to do this color. This is what is it called? Basic. And I'm going to use the smaller end of the eyeshadow brush and just put that, well, actually, I'm just going to put it all over. So I could use the bigger end. Okay. And then sorry, I want to make sure I can see everyone's comments. Okay. So there we have the two colors. And then we're going to do Philly, this one right here. And I'm going to use the small eyeshadow side this time and just do it like in the corner. Thank you. Okay. And this is like to make it even darker. Okay. And then we're going to just like go back in with the basic a little bit and create a little bit more dimension right here. Okay, and then since it's a smoky eye, you can put it down on the bottom. I'm gonna use Philly, which is this darker color. Just like that. And then I'm just kind of like blending it all together. Okay. And then if you wanted, you could do like a eyeliner. So I'm gonna use the Black Friday cream liner and the multitasker brush, and I'm just gonna go into it right here. Just like that. And I'm using the bigger end just because we want it to be like smoky, so it's gonna be like smudged. Just like that. And then you can put it on the bottom too if you want. There you go. So if you try this, I would love for you to let me know and tag me. And you can also share this video out. And I think I'm going to do like a bridal series soon. Like maybe like how to do like bridal makeup and like bridesmaid makeup too. Oh, thank you. I'm so glad. Okay. So basically this is the only thing that I used, and this is like part of your makeup too, also it could be. So, and then I used these two brushes. So I will put a link so that you can shop, and if you would like, and also you can reach out to me for a color match if you want to be color matched for this makeup that I'm wearing right now. Okay, well, I hope that you guys have a good night, and I hope that you enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time.